In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade DogeCoin inside of cTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up cTrader on either your favorite browser or your program on PC, your cTrader program on PC. From here, it should look something like this once you get inside of the dashboard. Now from here, you'll need to go up to New Order. You can also click F9 on your keyboard. Then from here, you'll need to go up to right here, and then you can search for DogeCoin right here, dogeusd. Once you're in doing that, you can see you can add the quantity, how many lots you want to purchase. You can add a market range where you can select how many pips you want to purchase if you want to do that. You can also add the stop loss and a take profit down here. You'll also be able to add a trailing stop loss if you want to do, and you can also add your comments down here that you later on can put inside of your trading journal. Once you do that, you'll simply need to click place order. Now you can see the order is filled and you can click OK. Now from here, the order will appear inside of the orders tab down here. And once it's filled, you'll be automatically going over to positions over here. And as you can see over here, it is live and well. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!